Hello and welcome back on our second part of our fan. I'm really glad I stopped because to put everything I did on it, it really took quite a bit of time. So let me show you what I've done so far, okay? What I did was put some bling in here that I really wanted to do, but I also, the applique, it kind of looked lost. I mean, like it wasn't there. So I went around the leaves of the roses and such with the pearls, and I think it really kind of brought it up, and I like that a lot. Also, and I like to do this one, but also I went over around this here on this peach color roses with more pearls, but this time kind of went around each one of them and then accentuate again part of the center of it. You know, it's a rose. The next thing I did, because the pearl in the center didn't do a thing for me either after I was putting the bling, I put some rhinestones that I had that I bought at Hobby Lobby. You know, they comes in a bunches where the florals are. And it really made a lot of difference. And then, so I changed the pearls, the center pearls, into the bling, and I really, really, really like it. So let me go ahead and finish this up. I'm going to put some in here right now, and I'm using the string pearls from Hobby Lobby, and it really does make a difference, you know. So I hated to make two videos, and at the same time I was really glad that, you know, I stopped when I did, because like I said, it really does takes a little time to put all of these things together. But since you already know how to do this, I mean, glued stuff is not a biggie, is it? So I'm glad that I did. And then as you can tell also, I ate 3 more smaller ones. And it's just, like I said, it needed it. It just did not look like I wanted it. By doing this, it made all the difference in the world. So now I left the ones that are the little pearls, you know, they were on the string of the garland, like this one here. I left those in there because I like the lightness of it. But I also went around it a little bit and add this here. And I just went like, you know, it's a rose would go, different petals going at different directions. So I thought, well, I'll just save this one and kind of do it real quick to give you an idea what I did. And I'm really have enjoyed making this actually. Okay, so you don't want to really go all the way around it, but just kind of accentuate little areas, different areas, you know, like on this one here, come in this way, not come out, maybe not come out about like this, okay? Just enough to give us a little bit of an idea that it's a rose, you know. And you know, us crafters, we change our minds so many times in it. But this is what I was telling my mom, you know, she didn't understand that until actually today, that we can start with an idea and it can change very, you know, really, really fast. So here it is, all the top of it finished. And it's just, I think it's just beautiful. So now what I'm going to do to be able to, you know, finish this off, I had, what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. I had another applique. It's kind of a little bit kind of dimensional, and it's got 3 tiers. And I'm going to put it right in here. They will kind of hide the rest of here, of the bottom part of it, see? There you go, okay? But also, I wanted something else, so I had this pretty butterfly, and I'm gonna put it right there as it was going after the flowers. And then in here, I have this beautiful rose center, and then we have those at the store too, also the butterflies. And I'm gonna put it right in the center of it, and of course we're gonna make a bow, okay? So let me go ahead and put this on here real quick. And I just thought that butterfly needed to be there. So I, yep, let me take that off. Okay, what did I, oh, here it is. Let me take this thing off so that it will stay better. Most of my blings are brooches, so so you can wear them as brooches, or you can just, and I like to take mine off, really. Okay, whoops, hey, whoopsie, okay. Also, it will lay so much better, too. I'm just gonna put it right on, smack on the center. And just somewhere in here, I see it was, let's see if it's gonna hold it. Maybe more. There we go. I think I got it. Alrighty. If this in here, that's gonna take care of this. And make sure I get it all nice and straight. I'm really glad I left this. I think this is gonna be really pretty. And as I say, I'm gonna make a frame, a deep frame, you know, for this. So if you decide to do something like this, you'll be able to put it on display, and you will see the whole fan, you know, the bottom part of it and everything. So I'll probably do that maybe next week, and I'll do a video on it. Okay. There we go. And here we go. Now what I'm going to do next is make the bow. So let me put this aside for a sec. Let me put this the other side. I tell you, it's just, I've been painting and doing, and okay, let's see, what do I do with my, oh, here they are. Right under it. And I happen to have a real close color from this peach, very close anyway, I think. Let me see if I have one that is closer than that. My lighting, I think it made a difference. So hold it just a sec. I thought I was bringing out the one that I wanted, but maybe not. Maybe that's it. Yeah, that's it. It's all right. We'll just do this one. And the other one is a winter white, which I love. The white is so bright, and to me this is just so much better. You know, it won't clash or anything. So okay, and I'm gonna do them both at the same time. Let's see if we can do it. Alrighty. Well, let's stick this thing really good. Okay. So I want to get both of them together. See if I'm going to make a bigger one. I really do love the bow maker to make bows, you know. I want to make mine about the third from the, you know, from the loop on either side. Let me get it out. There we go. There we go. Okay. So I think, yeah, let me do another, maybe not. Can't make up my mind today, can I? I'm gonna go farther one more. I really liked for those loops to hang, you know, and I think that was what I wanted. Okay, and I'm thinking about the center and what it will look like, and that's why. And then I'm gonna leave some out, and I know some of you, let's see if I can do it backwards. I don't know if I can do it backwards, but I will try. You would leave some out, okay, and you're gonna go, let me get some of this out. You're gonna go around, let's see, hold it just a second. Bring it in like this, and leave it. I have to do it on this side. Hold on just a second. It's easy, but I have to do it on my way. Okay, let's see. Well, it's easier said than done, isn't it? Okay, let's see. You want to go inside the loop, always, okay? So what I did is bring this one here. I hadn't used it in a while, so that's why. Okay, bring this one here, okay, and I have it right here on my left, okay? Bring it around the loop the dowel inside the loop, around the dowel, inside the loop, and around the dowel, inside the loop, and around the dowel, inside the loop. And I think, let's see, you can do as many as you want to. So I'm gonna do another round. What the heck, right? And around the dowel, inside the loop, and around the dowel, and now I come out on this side. Okay, so when I get done, I'm done in here. Okay. Now you can do it with one, with two, with how many you want to. I'm just gonna do it with one. I'm gonna bring it in the middle. Make sure I get all of them together, okay? And you wanna go inside the loop in here when you do it. So it will be just fine. And I think I got it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my knot is right on the back of it, and I pull real tight, and I'm gonna double knot it. I tell you, seam binding makes the most beautiful bows ever. And then if I did it correctly, which I think I have, it will come out. And it did, yay. And here it is. Now, if you want a little shabby chic, you know what to do, you know. Just get it in there and just, torture the poor little thing, right? Oh, Lord. I don't know how they do it because they roll it and roll it on their hand, Well, right now I'm doing it, but my hands, they slip out of my hand. Okay. And here we have it, okay? Really get it in there and do it so we'll get nice, and there we go. Okay, so I got this. Let me put a little more in here, by the way. There we go. Now I'm going to put our bow, and it's not in here, so go ahead and put it on right there. And once I have it in there and it's all nice and glued on and all that, then I'll go ahead and get everything out and, make sure it's okay. All right? Oh, I think that's fantastic. The color is, almost perfect. Okay, make sure I get my stuff out. I want to make sure that my ribbons are in the back. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. There we go. And I'm just gonna put it right there. And right there. And now I gotta take the back of the I think I really like it. I really like it. I didn't after I turned the video off, I looked at it and everything, and I was working on it, and I thought, but it needed something, and it keeps saying, it needs something. Okay, and now of course we'll put that on there. I like it. I really do. I like the colors. I just like everything about it, really. I'm really happy how it turned out, and I can't wait to put on the to make my frame that I'm going to do to put it on. And folks, here it is. Now you can put on more garland or whatever else that you want to do, but for me it's perfect. So here it is. I think it's beautiful. I think it's elegant. I just love everything about it. I'm really happy how it turned out. And I'll probably go back and put just a off-white or white felt on the back and glue it on really good with some you know, tacky glue or something. That will make it a little bit stiffer. So when I put it on my frame, and a frame will be able to be, it's going to be done in a way that this, all of it's going to be shown, okay? So I'm hoping it'll turn out, because I do want to have this in a frame. I definitely do. I think it needs to be, you know, showing it off, and anyway, so I hope you try it. And I hope you try it, and just do it with the stuff that you have around. And this is what I did. I just went on my box. It's got a little bit of glue in there. I just went on my scrap box, and basically I had a little scrap of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and just when I turned the video, I was looking for some stuff and found the little applique. So fantastic, you know, and a little bit of bling, and I do love my little butterflies. Isn't that precious? So until next time, don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Share is so important. That way those videos go to other people that maybe I won't be able to, you know, reach. So share out there, and then be crafty. And God bless you. Till next time. Bye-bye.